Before you trust iPhone Mail, fix these 3 settings. The first and foremost setting is you need to open up your settings application, and then you need to scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of mail. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and you'll find an option of privacy protection. You need to tap on it. Turn on the protect mail activity. This setting prevents email from tracking. The sender won't know when you open the message, where you open the message from your IP address. Simply, it shutdowns tracking at the source. The second setting is you need to open up your settings again and then scroll down, tap on apps. From apps, you need to again go with the mail option. Now here you need to turn off load remote images. Why? Because images inside emails are not just images, they are a tracking method. The moment the image loads, the sender knows you open the message. Turning this off equals no tracking plus full control. After that, the third setting is you need to go back to your mail section, and under mail you need to scroll down, go with notifications, set show previews when unlocked so that no one can see your email content while your phone is locked, especially if the mail contains a code or sensitive information. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.